Morning, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike here in South Louisiana, making another video today. So we're out here on the lovely Bayou Teche with a little drizzly rain coming down, making a test run, a Bayou test run on another restore mine. This is 1956 Johnson, 15 horsepower. This motor is for Ricky. I did a light restore on it, mechanically restored. All the magneto, carburetors, gear cases rebuilt, fuel lines, and he wanted to keep it two-line fuel system. He has the two-line tank, he says, to run it on. Ricky said he's going to do the paint work and the artwork and the decals on it. He's pretty good at that. He's bought several motors from me, and he's into the restoration of the details on it. And I'm apparently doing his mechanical. Here's my Missy boat, and little raindrops falling on the bayou, just perfect on a summer day to go test a motor. So we're going to give her a test run, see how she does. If everybody's ready, here we go. Alright, we're out here on the water. Started right up, and she runs really good. This is pushes my 14-foot feathercraft about 20 miles an hour, which is real good for 15 horsepower. So let's give her a little run here and see what she can do. Sweet. Yeah, she runs good, feeling good. Feeling good, nice motor. Yeah, this motor's for Ricky. She's a good one, Ricky. You can come get it when she's ready. We'll take her on in. Here we go, one last run. Wow! Hope you enjoyed the video. Here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. Please click on subscribe. I guarantee to provide weekly videos. Thank you very much. Au revoir, mes amis, and laissez les bon temps rouler. Aïe!